Hi everyone and welcome to the video. I just wanted to do a quick video here on how to earth up potatoes because I see a lot of people on forums and things asking how to do it, and I think they get themselves into a bit of a panic by it really. So I just wanted to show you that there's really nothing to it. It's just literally a case of covering your potatoes with soil, whichever way you do it. I'm using a spade here, so a hoe in between the potatoes, get the soil all nice and loose, and then I just literally spade the soil on, covering the plants and making a ridge. So when the plants were first coming through, I made sure to cover them all. Here they're quite big, so I'm just sort of covering them a little bit here. So I probably covered them fully for the first 4 or 5 weeks, and I kept doing this, maybe once a week. And once they started to grow through that initial mound that I'd built up, I just started to just put the soil in between the plants a little bit and a little bit on top, like in this video. But it just creates a nice, a loose growing medium really for the potatoes to develop. And that's all it is to it really. As I say, you don't need any specific tools or anything. It's just a case of getting the soil put in and around the plants to create a nice environment for the potatoes to grow. And don't worry about snapping the leaves or the stems or anything on these potato plants. They are hardy and they will just grow back. So just get the soil put on there, just any which way you want to do it, and don't think too much about it really. And that's all it is to it. So if you'd like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit like, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Cheers.